Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be doing fine inside your homes, respective homes, I may say. This pandemic that is building pressure, creating disorder, putting life at stake, peace is nowhere seen, life is, we can say, fully disturbed. Activities related to life are partially shut. Educational institutions are completely shut. So, in these days of pandemic, we need to be extra cautious to save the most precious gift of Allah, that's life. No doubt, if the turmoil is going on, unrest is going on, though we have to carry on because we are living beings. We need different things as an organism to sustain. First of all, before starting my class, I am congratulating Naida Beg for cracking Indian Administrative Services, a good girl from our locality, Punjab. Dear students, today we are dealing with class 11th as well as 10th. It is political science and topic under discussion is a political party and functions, role and we can say role and functions. In a short video, I can't describe or give the full explanation of the political parties and role, their registration, etc. But in a flash, what you need uh, in the as the examination point of view, I am giving you some explanation in flash, randomly we may say. A political party is an organized group of citizens having same ideology. Remember, a political party is a group of is an organized group of citizens having same ideology, or we can say it is the uh, organized group of citizens having same position. But question arises: why do we need political parties? No doubt, every citizen of India, irrespective of caste and color, has political rights. A man having political rights means political right means right to vote and right to be elected. Remember, right to vote, right political right means right to vote and right to be elected. So, a citizen without political party can cast his vote and can contest elections. But political, when people join hands, you know, having same ideology, or we can say the same thinking, same philosophy, and the representation from this organized group becomes very easy. It is not necessary that every association working here must be registered with the election commissioner. No. But when we are registering ourselves as an organized group or a political party, we get some preference under Election Commission of India, like allotment of symbols and rest of the election necessities that we need to contest or that we need to represent. So it is organized group of people having same ideology. We have two types of parties mainly here. One is the regional party, another is the national party. For example, Jammu and Kashmir National Conference is a regional party, PDP and the People's Democratic Party is a regional party. But at the same time, Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, they are national parties. So a regional party contests election in a particular region, and a national party contests election in, we may say, whole of India. But what is their role? They first of all they create public opinion. First of all they create public opinion, and when they contest election, contest election, for example, national conference is contesting election as a political party. The people may vote in their favor and they will get mandate from the people and they will govern the state. So political parties, one important function is that they govern the state. If sometimes national conference do not get the absolute majority to form the government, and PDP gets absolute majority to form the government in the state. So the PDP will rule the state, and national conference having more, more number of seats in legislative assembly can function as an opposition. So role of political parties is that they are ruling as well as taking part in this as a strong opposition in the state legislative assembly or the parliament. Going abroad, in America we have two different parties, Republicans and Democrats. It's biparty system there. One party rules the government, one party rules the state, another party is a strong opposition. Taking another example of British, that is Labour and Conservative Party. One party gets the mandate from the people, rules the state, and other party what? Function as an opposition to check the unlimited, or we can say uncontrolled power of the government, or we may say sometimes the ruling party may use their powers thoughtlessly with keeping the public opinion aside. So the strong opposition raises question inside the house, outside the house, by demonstrating inside the house and outside so that the government remains in check. Dear students, it's now 7 minutes video. It's enough for today, but I'm repeating the things. A political party is organized group of citizens having same ideology. They create public opinion, they rule the state, and they function as an opposition also. Before leaving class, I am advising you to see these things on your available reference book so that you may grasp the concept well. I am also advising you restrict your movements outside because pandemic moving out. Coronavirus or COVID-19 infection is gaining alarming pace. So better is to remain inside, to concentrate on self-studies so that you can benefit yourselves in two different ways. If any confusion strikes your mind after watching this video, you may call me on my number that is available around the clock. Also in your WhatsApp groups, and I am repeating my number, that's 7006 671106. And when you post your query on my WhatsApp or by calling, within short duration of time it would be answered, inshallah, because I am at your disposal. I am getting handsome amount of salary from the state exchequer. Thanks. Be blessed.